In today's video, I'm going to teach you watermark removal from Fiverr. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the watermark setting on your Fiverr seller account and turn it off using the built-in toggle so your gig images and previews appear without the Fiverr overlay. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then press Enter. Click the official Fiverr result to go to the site. If you're prompted to sign in, log into your seller account and make sure you're in selling mode so you can access your dashboard. At the top of the Fiverr page, look for the navigation menu and open the My Business section. From there, choose Gigs. This takes you to a list of all your published and draft gigs. Find the gig you want to update and click into it to open its settings and details. Inside your gig settings, look for the option labeled Activate Watermark. Fiverr places a protective watermark on certain images to discourage unauthorized copying before a purchase is completed. If your goal is to remove that watermark from your gig visuals, you'll use the toggle switch next to this option. When the toggle is on, the watermark is active. Click the toggle to turn it off, and the watermark feature will be disabled for that gig. Give the page a moment to register your change. On many accounts, this update saves automatically, but it's a good idea to glance for any confirmation prompt on the screen. Once it's off, preview your gig to verify the change. If you don't see the update immediately, refresh your browser or revisit the gig page after a short pause. A quick note on what this setting does. The watermark typically affects gig gallery images and certain previews buyers see before completing an order. Turning it off can help prospective buyers view your visuals clearly, which may be useful for detailed design work. However, with no watermark, there's less protection against unapproved reuse of your images. Choose the setting that best fits your strategy and the type of content you showcase. If you ever want the watermark back, return to the same Activate Watermark area and click the toggle again to turn it on. The switch is reversible, so you can adjust it whenever your needs change. That's all you need to do. Go to Google, open Fiverr, navigate to My Business, select Gigs, open your gig, locate Activate Watermark, and use the toggle to disable it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly manage watermark settings on your Fiverr gigs.